In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to advertise your Payhip link on Facebook for free. Facebook, with its vast user base, can be an excellent platform to reach potential customers, and with the right approach, you can leverage it without spending a dime. So, let's dive into the steps you need to follow to make the most out of Facebook for your Payhip link promotion. First, let's talk about sharing your link effectively. One of the simplest yet most impactful ways to do this is by sharing it directly on your personal page or timeline. It's essential to create a post that draws attention and encourages people to click on your link. To achieve this, you'll want to accompany your Payhip link with a compelling image or mock-up. Visual elements can capture interest more quickly than text alone, and can convey a lot about your product at a glance. Once you have a captivating image, it's time to focus on your words. Craft a post using clear, benefit-oriented copy. It's not just about what your product is, but more importantly, what problem it solves for your audience. People are always looking for solutions to their problems, and if you articulate this well, your post is likely to resonate with them. Also, consider highlighting what's included in your product or offering a sneak peek. This can often be the push that potential customers need to click on your Payhip link, eager to learn more or make a purchase. Now, to truly make your post stand out, you should start with an attention-grabbing headline or first line. This could be something as simple as mentioning a discounted price, a special deal for a limited time, or any freebies you might be offering. This kind of hook can be the very thing that stops someone mid-scroll and prompts them to read further. Remember, the first few words are crucial. They can either draw people in or let them pass by. Additionally, it's important to keep your tone authentic and personable. The people who are in your network are those who are already somewhat connected to you, so maintaining that genuine connection in your posts could increase engagement. Feel free to add a personal touch in the way you communicate, sharing your excitement about the product or how it has made a difference in your life. As you implement these techniques, pay attention to how your audience responds and be willing to tweak your strategy based on the feedback and engagement you receive. Social media is dynamic, and what works can often be a mix of creativity and listening to your audience. Remember, the key is to remain consistent with your efforts and to continually refine your approach. By doing so, you'll be well on your way to effectively utilizing Facebook as a platform to advertise your Payhip link for free. Good luck, and I hope you see great results.